In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill an order in TikTok Shop. So right now we have one order for today, and I'm going to show you how to process it step by step. First, you're going to want to navigate to the orders section within your TikTok Shop interface. This is where you'll find all the orders that require shipping. You'll notice there's a tab labeled Action Needed. This tab is quite helpful as it provides you with information on how much time you have left to ship the item, which is typically within 24 hours. Now, in our scenario here, we have one order that was placed roughly 45 minutes ago. Don't worry if you see any additional options such as auto canceling, shipping overdue, abnormal packages, or refund requested. These are just there to help you check the status of different orders that might need special attention. Now, let's go ahead and fulfill this order. To do this, you'll need to look for the Create Label button. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears with a variety of options such as print packing slip, add note, contact buyer, or cancel order. These options are handy for managing more complex orders or communicating with your customers. Here's a critical point. Dropshipping isn't allowed on TikTok Shop because TikTok provides the shipping label for you. This means you'll need to have the product readily available on hand in order to fulfill any orders that come in. Go ahead and click on Create Label. Once you do, you'll see the estimated shipping fee for the order, which in this case is $3.99. Click Buy Shipping Label to proceed. From here, you will choose your label format. Personally, I prefer the 4 by 6 inch format as it's a standard size for most shipping labels. If you want to include a packing slip with the order, simply check the packing slip box. This slip provides details on what items are being shipped along with the customer's information, which can be really useful for ensuring accuracy and transparency. Next, click Print Shipping Label. This action will display both the shipping label and packing slip, giving you the option to print or download them. Be sure to print these out and securely attach them to your package. Once you've made the shipment, return to the Manage Orders section. You'll notice that the status is automatically updated to indicate it's been shipped. Later on, once the package has been delivered and the order is complete, it will appear under Completed Orders. And there you have it. That's how you fulfill an order in your TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.